gonna be in love with me.
Hey babes, and welcome back to a new video. If this is your very first time here, my name is Tiana. Welcome. Today's video, I will be trying out the new Sephora Reveal the Skin Tint. So I actually saw this on one of my friends, and y'all, face flawless. So I actually got this in the shade 230, and when you take the top off, I love this little squeegee top bottle that it comes in. So I like to shake it up first because it is a little bit watery. So I just give it a nice little, you know, little 1-2 shake, okay? And then I'm just gonna squeeze it right onto the face. Yeah, it's very like liquidy. So girl, let's see. And it's giving a little bit light on me, but I did like the Sephora quiz and it said that this is my shade. So it is very thin and liquidy. You probably can rub this in with your fingers, but girl, I'm not doing that because I don't like product on my hands. So I'm just gonna press it in with my foundation brush and then make sure I get this jawline because it is a little bit darker and I want everything to kind of match. So this is a very sheer, very thin formula. So if you are looking to cover like any type of discoloration, imperfections, this is not the formula for you. And this is a skin tint, so you can't really expect like medium to full coverage with this. This is very light and skin-like. It's like my skin, but better. Okay, so let's do a comparison. So this is the side with the skin tint, and this is the side without. Is it giving my skin but better? Is that what she giving? All right, so I'm gonna do the other side. I would demonstrate with my fingers, but y'all, I really hate getting product on my hand. It just irks me. Even like when I'm cooking like hamburger meat, I don't even mix it up with my hand. Well, obviously I mix it up with my hand, but I have on a glove because I just don't like the way things feel on my fingers. So yeah, y'all, this is very, very thin and it's really light, but hopefully it oxidizes a little bit. If not, this would definitely have to be worn in the winter for me. And I'm just gonna take what's left over on my brush and just wipe it across my forehead and see how that looks versus putting the product directly on my forehead since it is a little light. So this is how it looks after I've applied the skin tint all over my face. I didn't really put that much on my forehead. I just used what was left over on the brush because like I said, the formula is a little bit light, and so I didn't want to, you know, I just wanted it kind of to be a little bit cohesive. And I think I will pick up just a darker shade in general just to make sure that I'm not looking too like casty, because I feel like it's giving off a little bit of a cast like on the bottom half of my face. And I'm gonna fix that because I'm gonna go ahead and complete my face and I'm just gonna bronze it up a little bit. So I'll come back on camera, let you see how it layers with other products on top of it, and then I'll do a 4 to 6 hour wear test and show you guys how it's holding up.
I put the blame on me for giving you chances to chance. I love what you can't stand, and I try to be strong, but how much can I put your words on your life this time? And I hope you ain't lying, 'cause only the thing that's saving you is the heart of a woman. Can we get it together?
Okay, so the face is finished and it actually looks really good now that I got all of my products on. So I'll be back in about 4 to 6 hours to show you how the makeup is wearing, and it is currently 12:54 p.m. So I'll be back around, I want to say about 6 p.m. So yeah, girl, hopefully she holds up, but it looks good. Like I said, my friend's makeup was chef's kiss. Okay, so I'll be checking back in, girl.
6 hours later.
Hey babes, it is now 7:15. Let me show you, just in case somebody try to clock me. It's 7:15, girl. So that means this makeup has been on a little over 6 hours, and yeah, she is looking so good. Like, I love the luminosity of my skin. It doesn't look oily or anything. It just looks radiant and luminous, and I love that about a foundation. I was kind of skeptical because it is like a skin tint. I normally wear like medium to full coverage foundations. I'm trying to get into more skin light products so I can wear like a everyday no makeup look, and I think this gives that, minus like the concealer and stuff that I put on. I think if I have not have done like a heavy concealer, then I feel like this would have been given like a no makeup look. But y'all, my face is flawless. It is stunning. I do have a little bit of separation like right here on my nose because I do wear glasses, and girl, I had to wear my glasses when I go outside so I can see. Okay, so that's the only thing that I see flawed with my face, is where my glasses was sitting. Everything else is a flawless. Okay, so yeah, girl, if you have not tried the Reveal the Real, I highly recommend. Again, I got the shade 230 in, and it's very affordable, not very expensive at all. I think it was like $22. So yeah, girl, I'm really loving the way my face turned out. I will be trying this look again with a more light to medium coverage concealer, just to try to perfect that no makeup look. So yeah, girl, I hope that you enjoyed today's video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Mwah. Bye.
Are you gonna be in love with me?